In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add homepage links on your Substack. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, this guide will help you customize your Substack homepage effortlessly, making your content even more accessible and inviting for your audience. First, let's start by heading over to your Substack homepage. This is the central hub of your writing, and from here you have access to all the settings we need. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Settings option. You'll typically find this in the upper corner of the screen. Clicking on Settings opens up a menu where you can manage various aspects of your publication. It's a fantastic way to personalize your Substack and tailor it to better fit your needs and style. Now, within the Settings menu, navigate to Website. This section allows you to control how your Substack appears to visitors. It's like the control center for your site's visual and functional elements. On this page, find the Homepage Links section. You'll want to click on the Edit option here. This important step gives you the ability to manage the links that appear on your homepage, essentially designing the roadmap for your readers to explore your content. Next, you'll see an option to Add Link. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter a title for your link. This is where you can designate a name that makes sense for what the link will direct your audience to. It could be the title of a connected piece of content, another platform of yours, or even a resource you recommend. Once you've inputted a title, you'll need to paste the desired URL into the link section. This is the web address that your readers will be redirected to when they click on the link's title you just entered. Make sure it's correct and active, otherwise your audience may end up lost on the web. Afterwards, you have the option to name this group of links if you'd like. This helps if you plan to organize multiple links under a themed category, clarifying further what your readers can expect to find when they click. Finally, with everything in place, click Add Link to finalize the process. This action saves all your changes and uploads the link to your homepage. Now, your Substack is set with easy to navigate links for your audience to explore various parts of your work or resources you wish to highlight. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily add homepage links to your Substack, enhancing the navigation and overall experience for your readers. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to explore other ways to personalize your Substack experience.